Nadolig Llawen, Merry Christmas, Rhondda. Here's some jumbled up lines from traditional and popular Christmas carols and songs for you. Do you see what I see? A star dancing in the night with a tail as big as a kite. With wonder in awe the wise men saw the star, and with delight in peaceful night by light of star they travelled far, and glory shone around. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Let it snow, to slide down the hillside with frozen fingers, faces aglow, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Silent night. Remember when Santa got stuck up the chimney? Last Christmas I gave you my heart. All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. Do you hear what I hear? Ringing through the sky, a song high above the trees, with a voice as big as the sea. Joy to the world. But in our world of plenty, do they know it's Christmas time at all? Shepherds watch their flocks, and away in a manger a mother laid her baby. Holy night. And does your granny always tell you that the old songs are the best while she's rocking round the Christmas tree? Well, 'tis the season to be jolly. Are you waiting for the family to arrive? Are you hanging up your stocking on your wall with logs on the fire and gifts on the tree, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day? Do you know what I know? A child shivers in the cold. Let us bring him silver and gold. All is calm. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year. But say a prayer. Pray for the others. If the table was turned, would you survive? I saw Mummy kissing Santa Claus. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Oh, I wish it could be Christmas every day. And although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.